And one of the most eye catching things from here, I would like to show you this one. As you can see, these are so succulent, like so I can say amazing looking, in so succulent, yeah, so flashy, a lot of flesh on in it. Yeah, flesh means Gouda. Yeah, and I would like to show you, I would like to take in my hand and let's see how will you see this thing. I'm talking about these, like yellow, it's look like mango somehow, but these are not mangoes, these are pear. And now as you can see, I would like to show you, like so red, amazing thing is it, pear. Yeah, and I love it. I would like to, I can't resist myself for buying it, so I'm gonna buy it. So I would like to ask this one person, what is price? क्या price है भाई इसका? 200. Oh my gosh, they are ripping me off. That's a really high price they are saying me. But somehow I would like to take in less quantity. Yeah. Cause you know, it is from outside Bahar. Okay, just a minute. I would like to show you your phone. Okay, where this is from? Where?
South Africa.
South Africa.
हाँ जी.
सही में? Yes. So this person is telling me these are exotic and that's why price is so high. It is from South Africa. So that's why there are a lot of taxes in it. And in India we can't find that type of quality. And I always go for quality over quantity. There is one phrase. Do you know what's the meaning of this one? It means that you love quality and you are living quantity. Just suppose I would like to show you quantity. If you have less money, you can buy more quantity, means weight. So I would like to ask you this price. A lot different type of pear is also here. These are kind of rotten. I would like to show you again. Like here you can see. इनका क्या price है भाई?
ये 80 रुपए किलो है. ये कश्मीर का है, ये 80 रुपए किलो है.
So you can see in here like Kashmir one, which is from Jammu Kashmir. It is 80 price, and from South Africa it is I can say 200. So really big difference, but taste will be different. I can say to you. Okay, I would like to show you some more things. Let's get started. Here you can see different types of varieties of available of dates, and these dates are so succulent, like flashy. A lot of yeah, these are really good. It is mostly used in India in winter time, and some I can say our brother and sister Muslim people also use this one, cause they do break their vow like fast in some type of occasion. Yeah, they do take the help of this one, and this is full of nutrients. You can do spend your one day only eating them. They are full of energy, so nutrients, and these are really good for skin. I can say your gut health, means your stomach health. Yeah, stomach. So tell me, भैया इधर आइए. Okay. ये बताइए इनका प्राइस क्या है?
ये 80 रुपये पैकेट है. ये 150 रुपये पैकेट है, और ये 100 रुपये का है. ये 300 रुपये का.
So you can see, पकड़ना एक बार. So you can see this is 80. This is 200, and this is 100. So cheap, so sasta. This is sasta, cheap. And let's see this one. ये कितने का भाई? 300. इसमें क्या अंतर है, डिफरेंस?
ये दुबई का है, नेचुरल है, पेड़ से टूटा हुआ, पैकिंग करके तोड़ के ऐसे कैसे पैकिंग कर रखी है.
So this brother is telling me this is only derived from tree, directly from tree. They like pull out this one and they are selling. Sugar is not added. No sugar extra. No extra sugar. No. So this person is telling me no sugar. They are not infused with the sugar. Infused means to put sugar extra. But these are really good, natural for health. And it's come from Dubai, exotic land. Sorry for that. Okay. Thank you, brother. And I would like to talk about this one thing also. What is it?
Old kiwi है. ये अंदर से येलो होती है.
Yellow. Show me. Like this person will tell me this thing. Like show me.
अंदर से येलो होती है और ये बिल्कुल मीठी कीवी होती है.
So this person is telling me. पकड़ना एक बार. This is yellow kiwi. So inside from it, it will पीली होगी ना अंदर से.
हाँ यस.
It will be yellow, so it is completely different, distinguished. And give me different one. वो दिखाना दूसरे हरे वाली.
एक मिनट. ये वाली.
हाँ. So this is green and this is yellow. What is the price? Price.
200 रुपये का बॉक्स और ये 150.
So there is not much different, but somehow ये ज़्यादा मीठी होगी, ये पीले वाली.
ये ज़्यादा मीठी होगी.
ये कहाँ से आती है?
ये न्यूजीलैंड की है.
So it comes from New Zealand. And this Australia or India?
न्यूजीलैंड
ये भी न्यूजीलैंड. So
और दूसरी वाली दिखा.
New Zealand. This is yellow from New Zealand, derived, like imported from
इटली.
Oh my gosh, they are having multiple types of varieties. This is come from Italy. Italy, really? What is price?
प्राइस ये 120 का डब्बा है, 4 पीस.
120. So I can say Italy is cheaper. Italy सस्ती है. Italy cheaper. Okay, brother. Like keep it here. Like don't mix it. All are different varieties. So then it will be mess up everything. Okay, now let's talk about mangoes. What type of mangoes these are? कैसे हैं mango?
मैंगो फिलहाल 200.
फिलहाल 200.
हाँ जी.
कहाँ के मैंगो हैं
ये अपना लखनऊ का आम है.
लखनऊ.
हाँ जी.
ये लास्ट सीजन है. लास्ट में लखनऊ के ही आते हैं.
लास्ट लखनऊ ही चलता है.
अच्छा. सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी मैंगो की कौन सी होती है?
बेस्ट चौसा ही आ रहा, जो अभी ये चल रहा है यही आ रहा, चौसा आम.
सबसे बेस्ट होती है. महंगी कौन सी होती है?
महंगी तो इस टाइम तो सारे आम हो जाते हैं फिलहाल.
वैसे इससे पहले कौन सी होती है?
इससे पहले आपको केसर आम हो जाता है और आपका अल्फांसो हो गया और आपका क्या नाम है सफ़ेदा हो गया मैंगो और लंगड़ा मैंगो हो गया.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव? सबसे ज़्यादा महंगी
केसर और क्या नाम है अल्फांसो.
केसर कहाँ का और अल्फांसो?
केसर ये अपना क्या नाम है ये बाहर का आता है, वो 350 रुपये किलो होता है.
ओके, लाइक कीप इट. So this person is telling me this is last mango in India because it's a August season. In August it is last mango, so that's called Chosa variety. There are multiple varieties come in India, some like Alfonso, Kesar. So Alfonso and Kesar is the most expensive here in India. And there is something like the sari something. The sari are like I can say you can suck them in this way. You can like suck them. Yeah, but these are you can cut them. Alfonso you also cut them. And these are really good for shakes. Okay, क्या प्राइस रहता है अल्फोंसो का normally?
350.
So you can imagine it is really costly. Alfonso and this one?
200.
You know this will be less price, but this is off season. That's why they are selling high price. Season दूसरा इसलिए ज़्यादा price में.
अच्छा. चालू 80 रुपये किलो होता है.
अच्छा. And we do mostly here in India we use shake and we do make pickle of them. Yeah, so I can say it is really part and parcel for as an Indian, and in India it is considered the king of like camera doing this way, brother. In India it is considered I can say the king of fruits. It's called mango, and this look like green, but somehow in normally they look like Alfonso looks like this one pear, like completely yellow and red something. Yeah. So I can say that's a lot for today, and let's do talk about green apples also, like keep it here. So like show this one. So these are stack of apples. So what is the price of these apples? 100. And this
90.
show also this one, show इन्हें दिखाओ साथ के साथ. show 90. So why these are not looks that much fresh? ये इतनी fresh भी नहीं और price भी ज़्यादा क्यों?
प्राइस ये बाहर खट्टी मीठी होती है, टेस्ट इनका खट्टा मीठा टेस्ट होता है इसका और बहुत बढ़िया होता है, सेम नेचुरलिटी होती है.
So he is telling me these are sour and sweet. It will give you tangy, as like what I told you already. Something tangy, jasperi, kiwi. Yeah, I had tried once in my lifetime when I was in Manali. So I had tried that one. So it was really good. Yeah. And tell me about prices of these apples. इनका प्राइस बताइए.
ये 120.
120. I can say this person is giving reasonable price, not much extra high price is not. And as you can see me, I'm in a shop, so I can't do haggle here. Cause means I can't do here bargaining. Bargaining means if somebody is telling you 150 price and you are saying I will give you 120, so that's called bargaining. Means मैं आपको अभी करके दिखाता हूँ। सबसे एक्सपेंसिव कौन सी है भैया, महंगी सेब है?
ये बाहर वाली आती है फिलहाल वो खत्म।
ये कौन सी है ऊपर सबसे बड़े वाली?
वो अपना शिमला का सेब है, वो 140 रुपये की।
So this is, as you can see, really huge, massive apples and price of 140, and this one 120. Okay. Kashmir ka. So Kashmir, I can say mostly in India, from Kashmir things come from, like these pear and I can say apples. Yeah. And thanks a lot, brother. Tell me your name.
राहुल।
Rahul.
हाँ जी।
Where are you from?
क्या?
कहाँ से हो आप?
हम बिहार से हैं।
बिहार से। अच्छा, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Nice to meet you. Like do handshake. And don't call me sir. Those sir are those foreigners. I'm not foreigner. I'm your Indian brother. So he's my brother. Yeah. Okay, brother. So pleasure to meet you. We will come here again. And I'm gonna buy something. So what I'm gonna buy? Cause all things are good here. So I would like to buy some apples from here. So give me 1 kg apple, brother.